Hi friends, welcome back to Smart Engineering Academy. Myself Amit. So I am here with the continuation of part 1 of my video where I am going to analyze the questions which was asked in irrigation department, Hyderabad, Karnataka region, Karnataka state government question. Fine. Let me comment the question. The volume of one bag of cement weighing 50 kg. So what is the volume of the cement which is present in one bag of the cement? See, one bag of the cement will be equal to 50 kg. This is the normally known thing from everyone. But in this question, they're asking us to find what is the volume of cement which is present in the one bag. Weight we know, that is 50 kgs. Then what is the volume? How to find the volume? See, density is equal to mass per volume, where volume is equal to mass by density. Okay, so volume is equal to what is the mass in terms of kg, which is equal to 50 kgs, where density of the cement, the standard formula is 1440 kgs per meter cube, where kg gets cancelled, and if we substitute this value, where value will be equal to 0.0347 meter cube. Okay, this is the volume of the cement. The nearest value for this is equal to 0.0345 meter cube. This is the volume of the cement which is present in one bag of cement, where 50 kg, this is the volume. Please remember this value. This is very important question. This is the most repeatedly asked question. Most of the time in the interview they will ask this question. In the examination either you will have a calculation for this timings, but in interview this question will be asked. Please remember this. This is most important for your daily life. As per IRC is Indian Road Congress, the maximum width of the vehicle. Okay, if this is the vehicle, what will be the maximum width of the vehicle? The maximum width of the vehicle according to Indian Road Congress is 2.44 meters. More than this, the automobile industry should not build a vehicle with more than 2.44 meter. The maximum limit is 2.44 meter, for which the roads is being designed. Okay, this is a codal provision and a codal specification. You need to remember all these values. So next question, impact test is performed on the road aggregates to evaluate. Okay, I'll just tell you one by one. This is most important question and most confusing in the examination also. First of all, hardness of the aggregates can be found by which test? Hardness can be found by abrasion test. Hardness is mainly to find with the help of abrasion test. Hardness of the aggregates can be found out. Then what about soundness? Soundness can be found out by immersion test. In the immersion test, the aggregates will be dipped in sodium and magnesium compound. Okay, so after doing some procedure, we'll come to know the soundness of the aggregates. Then what about strength? Strength of the aggregates can be found out by the test which is called as crushing test. Okay, toughness of the aggregates can be found with the help of impact test. So answer for this question is impact test is performed for the road aggregates in order to evaluate toughness test. In the other examination, the question may be varied. In case of impact test, they may give abrasion test, crushing test, like that. So I have given the detailed analysis of this question. Fine. Let me move on to the next question. The yield strength of HYSD and CTD bars. So what is CTD bars? Cold twisted deformed bars. Please make a note of this. Cold twisted deformed bars. So what is HYST bars? Please do comment in the comment section. Fine. The yield strength of the HYST and CTD bars is how much they are asking. See, normally for mild steel, okay, the strength will be 250 Newton per mm square. Above that, it will be HYSD. So HYST and CTD bars yield strength, either it will be 415 Newton per mm square or 500 Newton per mm square as per my knowledge. So this both answer will be right. If you have some other answer in your mind, please do comment in the comment section. For this answer, we will wait for the answer key which will be left by the KPSC. So according to me, these two answer also will come into valid. Workability of the concrete by VB test is expressed in. See, workability of the concrete can be found out by three tests. One is slump test. This other one is VB test. Other one is compaction factor test. Okay, in case of some slump test, the test results can be expressed in terms of mm or centimeter. In case of VB test, the result in terms of seconds. So seconds, this is the right answer. For compaction test, the workability of the concrete is expressed in terms of what? Please do comment in the comment section. Most important basic structural analysis question and most beautiful question. And sometimes if you are not familiar with the concept, you will get confused. I will tell you how you are going to get confused. They're asking the number of independent equation to be satisfied for static equilibrium in case of space structure. This is the trap point. What is space structure? I will just tell you. Okay, I'm just with respect to this, number of independent equation is, if I draw one frame like this, so if it is fixed support, there will be a 3 independent equation. Okay, let me take it as, okay, let me take it as force with respect to x, force with respect to y, as well as moment. So the total independent equation with respect to this frame structure is, total independent equation is 3. So what I have written in the figure, it is 2D structure. Okay, but in the question, this is the trap point I am telling you. In the space structure, it has to be considered as 3D structure. In case of 3D structure, if it is 2D structure, what is the total number of independent equation is 3, but it is a space structure which has to be considered in terms of 3D structure. 3D structure will come like this. So where instead of 3 independent equations, in case of space structure, that is 3D structure, the total number of independent equation is 6. That is Fx, Fy, Fz, and moment at x, moment at y, and moment at z. So total number of independent equation with respect to space structure is 3. If space structure is not given, it has to be considered as 2D structure. So in 2D structure, it will be right for 2D structure, but in case of space frame, it is a 3D structure. We have to go it as 6. Please don't get confused. Be familiar with the concept. Okay, fine. Okay. Next question. Which of the following categories best describes the Hirakud reservoir? Okay, Hirakud reservoir is mainly for reservoir for flood control, irrigation as well as power. This is general studies question. Okay, this is general studies question which has put in the technical question. Some 1 or 2 question will be like this. Fine. Next, this is also geotechnical engineering question and very easy question. So let me read out the question first. The load carrying capacity of the individual frictional pile is 200 kilonewton. So individual frictional pile I will represent in terms of QUP is individual frictional pile which is equal to 200 kilonewton. What is the total load carrying capacity of the group of 9 such piles? So the total number of piles which is equal to 9 I'll represent in terms of n with group efficiency factor. So group efficiency factor, efficiency will be equal to 0.80. Now so factor, okay. Now they're asking us to find what is the total load carrying capacity of the group. So QUG is the load carrying capacity of the group of the files. QUP is the load carrying capacity of the individual pile. This is group of piles, this is individual pile. N is given, which is total number of piles, and the efficiency factor is given. Now we need to find the value of QUG. So QUG, load carrying capacity of the group of the pile will be equal to the main formula, group efficiency of the pile is equal to QUG divided by number of piles into QUP, load carrying capacity of the group of piles, load carrying capacity of the individual pipes, number of piles and efficiency. Now we need to find the QUG, where Q is equal to efficiency into N into QUP. What is the value of efficiency? Efficiency is given as 0.80. Number of piles is equal to N and QUP is equal to 200. If you calculate this, you will get the answer as 1440 kilonewton. So fourth is the right answer for this question. Very easy question from geotechnical engineering pile topic. Okay. So that's all for the today's lecture series. Remaining question I am going to take in the next lecture series, that is in part 3 of the lecture series. Any queries, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.